This is the AI News Flash for April 18, 7 p.m. UTC. First up, Meta Platforms has formally announced a major expansion of its AI chip partnership with Broadcom, running through 2029. The initial commitment exceeds 1 gigawatt of computing capacity and is framed as the first phase of a sustained multi-gigawatt rollout. Meta's MTIA 300 chip already powers ranking and recommendation, with 3 additional custom inference chip generations planned by 2027. Broadcom CEO Hock Tan is stepping down from Meta's board to take an advisory role focused on custom silicon strategy. Zuckerberg called the partnership the massive computing foundation needed to deliver personal superintelligence to billions of people. The move accelerates the hyperscaler shift away from NVIDIA GPU dominance toward custom ASIC diversification. It validates Broadcom's $100 billion AI semiconductor outlook for 2027 and redraws the AI silicon investment map. Second, Bank of America raised TSMC's price target from 2360 Taiwan dollars to 2530 Taiwan dollars, maintaining a buy rating. BofA forecasts robust 7 to 9% quarter-over-quarter revenue growth in Q2 2026, driven by a solid backlog of high-performance computing orders. Gross margin is projected to improve to around 66% despite 2-nanometer ramp costs and higher summer electricity prices. Even though shares fell over 3% on post-earnings profit-taking, major analysts remain firmly bullish. TSMC's position at the core of the AI semiconductor supply chain remains unshaken, anchoring long-term AI investment theses. Third, Tohoku University developed a physics-based factorized machine learning model that screened over 8,000 oxides and discovered 31 previously unknown high dielectric materials. The team of graduate student Atsushi Takigawa, lecturer Shin Kiyohara, and Professor Yu Kumagai separately predicts boron effective charges and phonon properties, then combines them via a physical formula to compute the ionic dielectric tensor with high precision. The work was published in Physical Review X. Applications include higher performing capacitors and more compact, energy-efficient smartphone and computer components. This is a materials science breakthrough riding the same AI-driven wave as AI drug discovery. Fourth, Seagate Technology Holdings shares have surged more than 7 times over the past year, closing at $547.75, up 90.5% year-to-date and 34.7% in the last 30 days. The driver is explosive AI data center demand for nearline HDDs. DCF fair value sits at $618.43, suggesting shares are 11.4% undervalued. Yet the PE ratio of 62.29 far exceeds the tech industry average of 23.49 and peer average of 47, creating sharp valuation disagreement. Seagate joins Western Digital as the biggest beneficiaries of the AI storage supercycle. This symbolizes investor rotation into secondary AI infrastructure beneficiaries beyond NVIDIA and TSMC, widening the AI trade footprint. Fifth, Ring-a-Ding has officially launched an OpenClaw skill, enabling AI agents to make phone calls built on Anthropic's OpenClaw protocol. AI agents like ChatGPT and Claude can now directly place phone calls to handle real-world tasks such as restaurant reservations, customer support, and appointment scheduling autonomously. The launch signals growing adoption of the OpenClaw standard. This marks a turning point as AI agents expand from digital spaces into phone networks and the physical world. Anthropic adds another ecosystem partner after Starbucks and Intuit, strengthening signals that agentic commerce is going mainstream. That's all for this AI News Flash.